Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining again today. We've got another tech review for you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am super hyped about today's review. It's going to be another Kickstarter project that I backed some time ago, and then the project was successful, and I finally just got the actual product on my doorstep. So today we are going to be reviewing the K4 T10 Featherlight paddleboard and kayak motor. I am super hyped to get this thing installed on my paddleboard and take it out to the harbor so that we can see what it's capable of. Let's get down to the unboxing. All right, let's go ahead and open up this Edge Smart Drive K4 paddleboard and kayak motor. Oh, that's about the size that I imagined that it would be. All right, very nicely packed. I want to comment on the packing job. It was very thoughtful and well packed. All right, let's go ahead and take the box. Let's take the box off to the side. Plastic wrap. Let's see what is in here. Some sort of mounting plate of some kind. And of course, the battery that powers the entire thing. Wonderful. I thought it was like plastic wrapped. It's just because it's in a plastic waterproof case. Of course, inside that there is a bag for the battery that has a separate pocket. That's worth noticing. The bag has a separate pocket. There's the bag for the battery itself, and then a separate pocket. And then, of course, the power connector for the battery, which has to connect to the unit. The controller is wireless. I didn't actually know that. I thought the controller was wired to the unit, but it's wireless. Oof. And probably not waterproof. Alright, so let's see here. Go ahead and look at the instructions. Alright, so we've got the paddleboard motor itself. This is going to be like a computer of some kind. And then your connectors. So I think this is just an extra connector that this came with. As a matter of fact, I'm almost positive it's an extra connector because this is just going to connect into a battery, like so. Aircraft grade locking connector. Marine/aircraft grade locking connector with a nice little O-ring there, waterproof O-ring. And that is locked in place. So now the question is, how do we pair the unit with the... that's going to be the power button. All right. Now, does it come pre-paired? Is it already paired? So this looks to be the power button. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Power is now on. Should pair automatically. I think I just heard it pair. There we go, it just paired. Would you look at that? That is absolutely amazing. Oh, dude. And look at this. The battery power unit has its own little LCD readout. Let's see if we can get focused on that. That is super cool. So, we've got it now. It's ready to go. I cannot wait to get this thing installed on my paddleboard.
A few moments later.
So as it turns out, I actually had to heavily modify a Pelican fin for my paddleboard for this because I don't actually have the type of paddleboard hookup that is required to run this rig. So we're doing a little DIY here today. Well, that's just about it for the caulk on the mount that came with the K4 Edge. We are going to let this dry overnight, and then we are going to come back tomorrow, and we are going to install this fin on the paddleboard. Can't wait.
It's got a nice reverse function too, so you can stop it. How's paddling going over there, Mike? I said, how's paddling going over there, Mike? Cheers. Cheers.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the efficient, intelligent Featherlight offboard motor K4 by Edge Smart Drive, along with the ECU control box, the X100 battery, and the wireless Bluetooth remote control. Absolutely fantastic product. I am very glad that I chose to back the Kickstarter. And of course, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and throw a link to this product down in the description of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know I am doing a good job by giving it a thumbs up and commenting. And if you wish to support me further as a creator, please tap that bell and subscribe so that you never miss any future content from my channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.